Hello everyone. You are on the Software Developer blog channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. More and more, everyone is beginning to be interested in the topic of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. In this video, I will tell you what blockchain is, what is its idea, principles, why it is needed and why this technology is so interesting. Write in the comments if you are interested in a deeper analysis of this topic, for example, with code. This can also be done if this video gets 50 likes and 20 comments. When you hear the word blockchain, probably the first thing that comes to mind is Bitcoin. In fact, this technology, extremely versatile, has potential far beyond cryptocurrencies. Blockchain has gained popularity over the past few years because it allows you to secure and verify all kinds of data in a decentralized network that simply cannot be changed. The idea was born back in 1991, when programmers proposed a system for protecting timestamps on documents from any interference. Then an anonymous programmer, using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, created Bitcoin based on this technology. In 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto successfully deployed the first public blockchain system. So let's start with what exactly is a blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed database that stores information about all transactions and system participants in the form of a chain of blocks. It translates as a block. All users of the blockchain have access to the registry, acting as a collective notary who confirms the truth of the information in the database. What is the importance of blockchain? Every business depends on data. The speed and accuracy of data is critical, which is why blockchain is ideal for providing such information, as it offers authorized network participants instant, shared and fully transparent access to information in an immutable ledger. Blockchain allows you to track orders, payments, accounts, products, and more. And because all participants share a single source of truth, you can view all transaction details at any time. The main difference between a blockchain and conventional databases is decentralization. The whole idea behind the blockchain is that this process is not monitored by any regulator or organization, and the information is not concentrated on servers in one place, but is completely distributed in a huge network of computers around the world. So, let's understand how the blockchain works. Blockchain literally translates as chain of blocks. In each of these blocks, information is digitally recorded, such as transaction data, date, time of block creation, address, etc. if we are talking about cryptocurrencies. Then this is information about transactions. The hash of the given block and the hash of the previous block are used to link them. Each block is inherently linked to the previous block, eliminating the possibility of changing or inserting a block between two other blocks. Any user can view all this information, but cannot change it. Each new transaction, regardless of its size, turns into a new and unique cluster consisting of symbols and numbers created according to a certain algorithm. Miners play a key role in the blockchain. They perform several functions. Firstly, they store copies of the blockchain and thus protect information from loss or forgery. Secondly, they confirm transactions. And thirdly, they verify transactions that they also registered with other miners. The number of miners is usually unlimited. The more of them, the more reliable the network will be. Anyone can become a miner. For this you need to have a specialized computer and software. Miners are rewarded for keeping the network running. This can be a commission from all participants in the transactions recorded in the block, as well as a reward from the network itself. The network generates this reward according to a certain algorithm. This is exactly what happens with cryptocurrencies. The reward is a certain amount of cryptocurrencies themselves. They appear literally out of thin air and fall into the account. This is how new units of virtual money are issued, and the total amount of virtual currency increases. But most of the time there is a limitation. When the amount of coins reaches a certain maximum, their release stops. Further miners can work only for remuneration from the participants. Such a system will work on Bitcoin. Where is blockchain applied? Blockchain emerged as the technology to launch Bitcoin into circulation and was initially used solely to manage cryptocurrencies. However, since its introduction in 2009, the scope has expanded significantly. Blockchain is now used for trade reporting in cashless transactions, checks and payments in accounting, monitoring, risk management, auditing, net financial accounting management, and so on. This could be a long list. I want to point out that the information stored using the blockchain can be recorded in the registry, which means that all interested parties can be directly involved in the process. All in all, blockchain is a very interesting technology that you can dive into and learn more and more about. Write your questions in the comments. That's all for me. See you soon. Bye.